work in the MITEC Centre in Milford Haven, which is an outreach centre of the college. I'm doing dysgu Cymraeg at the moment. Support has been useful in that any translations required, Janice and Lisa are able to offer support and help with that. And obviously the college offer Welsh courses for learners, level 1s, 2 and 3. I'm currently level DI. So the college is offering support as well as Janice and Lisa have been able to offer support. So yeah. Where I work in MITEC, I'm reception, front of house. We have a couple of Welsh speaking students and a couple of Welsh speaking staff. So I did feel it was able to, it would enhance me in my job as well as personally.